Hello, my dear children of 10th standard. In this video, we are going to study a chapter from your first flight book. The name of the chapter is chapter number 4 from the Diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. So, this is the extract which is taken from the Diary of Anne Frank. Now, Anne Frank, born on 12th June 1929, she died in 1945, was a German Jew. The 12-year-old girl, or we can say Jewish girl, wrote the diary of Anne Frank while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the Nazis' occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to a concentration camp in Bergen, where Anne and her elder sister Margot died of typhus in 1945. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, found her diary and got it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So, this story, The Diary of Anne Frank, was the given extract is one of the most authentic works describing the cruelty committed on the Jews during the Nazis' occupation of the Netherlands in 1940. It also provides an intimate account of daily life that her small groups led in hiding in Amsterdam. Her frankness, honesty, and sincerity of description of her parents, friends, and teachers make her writing the most important document of the Holocaust period. So, let us begin the story. Now, Anne Frank thinks that writing a diary is a strange experience for her. She has never written anything like this before. She feels that no one else except her will be interested in the musings, means in reading of a 13-year-old girl, schoolgirls. She writes it for herself. She wants to get all kinds of things off her chest. She tells that paper has more patience than people, and feels that paper has more patience than people. There was a time when she was a little depressed and sat at home. She does not want anyone else except her to read her stiff backed notebook unless she finds a real friend. She keeps the diary as she does not have a friend. Her diary, her friend Kitty, and writes that outwardly there are about 30 people whom she can call friends. She has a family, loving aunts, and a good home. She has loving parents and 16-year-old sister. But still, she feels all alone. She can only talk about ordinary things with them. They are not able to come closer. This is the problem. They can't confide in each other. Maybe it is her own fault, as what Anne thought. This is why she has started the diary. She wants her diary to be her friend. She calls her diary her friend Kitty. Now, she gives brief sketch of a family. She calls her father the most adorable father. He married at 36 when her mother was 25. Her sister Margot was born in 1926, while she was born in 12th June 1929. They emigrated to Holland in 1933. She got her education there. In 1942, her grandma died and started writing her diary on 20th June 1942. So, we can say that the four of them are still doing well, and the present date means the date from when the Anne started writing the diary was 28th June 1942. So now she writes, Dear Kitty, and as she writes the classroom situation. Okay, so class was shaking with fear. Why? So she writes that the entire class is shaking with fear. The teachers will decide in the next meeting who will move up and who will be kept back. She realizes that at least there are about a quarter of students who are totally worthless and should be kept back. But it is difficult to predict about the decision of the teachers. She is not much worried about herself and her friends. She is not very sure about maths. She has good relations with her teachers, Mr. Kissing. The maths teacher is an old fashioned teacher. He does not like her because she talks too much. Now, the maths teacher gives her some extra work to write an essay on a chatterbox. She writes 3 pages. She argues in the essay that talking is a student's trait. She promises to keep it under control. She feels that she will never be able to cure herself of the habit. Why? Because her mother also talked as much as she does. It is an inherited trait, means the trait that is taken by the parents, okay, so or by the family. So Mr. Kissing has a good laugh at her arguments in the essay. He assigns her a second essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Finally, as punishment for talking in the class, he gives her another essay on quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. The class gives a roar of laughter. Her friend San is good at poetry. She offers to help her and wants to turn the table on Mr. Kissing. She finishes the poem about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings. They are bitten to death by the father because they quack too much. Now, Mr. Kissing understands the poem and its message in the right way. Since then, she has been allowed to talk. She has not been assigned with any extra homework. So, my dear students, this was the summary of the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. So, read the chapter, read the lesson first, and then watch the video. After that, you will understand better. Thank you.